location, let's focus on communicating, 'cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations, and I don't need nothing else but you. At times I wonder why I fool with you, but this is new to me, this is new to you. Initially I didn't wanna fall for you, gather my attention, it was all for you. So don't take advantage, don't leave my heart damaged, to understand that things go a little bit better when you plan it. Oh, so won't you send me your location, let's focus on communicating, 'cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations, and I don't need nothing else but you. I don't wanna fall in love off a subtweet, so let's get personal. I got a lot of cool spots that we can go. Tell me what's the move, and I got you. I'm only acting like this 'cause I like you. Just give me the vibe to slide. I might make you mine by the night. And send me your location, let's focus on communicating, 'cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations, I don't need nothing else but you. Right, come and vibe with me tonight. I don't need nothing else but you. Right, come and vibe with me tonight. I don't need nothing else but you.
She said, baby, I'm afraid to fall in love, 'cause what if it's not reciprocated? I told her, don't rush, girl, don't you rush. Guess it's all a game of patience. She said, what if I dive deep? Will you come in after me? Would you share your flaws with me? Let me know. I told her thinking is all wrong. Love will happen when it wants. Know it hurts sometimes, but don't let it go. 'Cause I want you, I want you, I want you. 'Cause I want you, 'cause I want you, I want you. She said, what if I tell you all the things I've done? Would you run away from me? I told her, baby, we all got bags full of shit that we don't want, but I can unpack it for you, baby. She said, what if I dive deep? Will you come in after me? Would you share your flaws with me? Let me know. Oh, I told her thinking is all wrong. Love will happen when it wants. Know it hurts sometimes, but don't let it go. 'Cause I